Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to excel in English speaking. Start by dedicating at least 15 minutes every day to speaking practice. This consistent effort builds confidence and fluency over time. Pay close attention to how native speakers pronounce words and use intonation. Mimicking these patterns will make your speech sound more natural. Also, commit to learning 5 to 10 new vocabulary words weekly, integrating them into your conversations. To truly excel, immerse yourself in the language. Seek out opportunities to converse with native English speakers. Even short interactions are beneficial. Make it a habit to listen to English podcasts or watch TV shows for at least 30 minutes daily, focusing on comprehension and natural speech rhythms. A powerful technique is to record yourself speaking. Listen back critically to pinpoint areas where your pronunciation or grammar needs work. Elevate your speaking by incorporating common idioms and phrasal verbs into your vocabulary. This makes your English sound more authentic and less robotic. Challenge yourself to think directly in English rather than translating from your native language, which significantly improves fluency. Consider joining an English speaking club or finding a language exchange partner. Receiving constructive feedback from others is invaluable for continuous improvement and building confidence. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. View them as essential steps in your learning journey. Everyone makes errors, and they provide valuable insights for growth. Set achievable, realistic goals, such as mastering one specific grammatical structure or improving your intonation each month. Celebrate small victories to maintain motivation. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.